Final day of Leo season, August 21st, Red Robe Astrology. So the sun is at the final mastery degree of Leo, 30th degree. It's called anoretic. It has a mastery because any planet at the final, or the sun or the moon, at the final degree of a sign is thought to contain all of the wisdom of every degree of that sign that came before it. So Leo sun says we're in warmth, centering ourselves, feeling the brightness of being at the center of our consciousness. But meanwhile, Neptune is also at the anoretic degree of Pisces, the final degree of the entire zodiac, and this is the planet that rules Neptune. That rules Pisces. This is, again, I said this yesterday, why dreams have been so sort of intense. And today might feel a little funny because when two planets interact in the 150 degree inconjunct, that's the fork in the road, it's also like an either or. So we've got our conscious awareness pulling us or our unconscious pulling us, and the moon in Pisces is going to favor Neptune's side of this until she changes signs later on. So the first part of the day is going to be kind of dreamy and Neptunian. The moon will conjunct Neptune, subtle perceptions, intuition and insight, artistic inspiration. But we might also have a dreamy sense like that we're moving through water that might be a little uncomfortable. At any rate, there's some stress in that watery, yummy atmosphere because the moon will square Mars, which means our tempers are sort of triggered. A sextile to Uranus might bring an unexpected thing or two. Then there's the little void moon from 2:53 to 4:01 p.m., just a little over an hour. And then we move into the Aries moon. Big, abrupt sensation change when the last degree of the zodiac gives way to the first. We call that the birth canal of the zodiac because we burst out of that void place into the fires of Aries, and that's the second part of this day after 4 p.m. Pacific time. And a sextile from the moon to Pluto means we end the day with some fire and passion. Very different than how we start out this day. Have at it.